Hi, my name is Goutham Krishna. Actually, I came from mechanical background from Aditya College of Engineering at 2016. So after never graduated from college, even though I started my own business, which was VBC thermoplastics, where we manufacture biryani boxes, white color or black color. In 2019 itself, after 2 months, we taken a hard what we call it a situation, which was Corona. So I completely shut down the company, and from that I attended a lot of interviews, which was around BPOs and all these things, but never selected in any other company. When I came to my grandmother hometown, which was at 2023, my mother was fell down at here due to some reasons. Then I admitted her in Medicover Hospital, Kakinada. So I'm roaming in Kakinada, going to SRMT Mall. I got to know boarding, which was PurpleLane, where they will only support for visual designer and UI UX designer. I went a lot of courses in Hyderabad, inquired a lot of courses in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune. The cost was pretty high at that time, which I can't offer. So I went to PurpleLane. Then I came to know that after January 14th itself on Sankranti, I joined in PurpleLane. Then my first mentor was Bhavani sir, who helped me a lot of about the course and teaching skills. There I learned a lot of skills from basics to intermediate. Then I became a group member where Dosanama Madam encouraged me a lot. Your communication skills are interviews which you want to perform well. So get to know how interview process is going on. So my tip was to make more practices on UI skills. Basically, as a designer, you have to be very, very strong at UI. UI, you should be very strong, and UX, you will learn from UX from referring from another websites or using another website. You have to refer a lot of things in UX. So visually, you have to be very, very strong. So my interview experience was very grateful and thankful, even though. So I got a very sense at my first round. How the interview process will be going on, and how he taught me a lot of stuff about interview questions, how interviewer ask you questions, and a couple of mock interviews from Bhavani sir and Darsanama madam, which has helped me very lot in the interviews. I appeared a lot of 10 to 12 companies, sir, around Ample Logic, Evoke Technologies. Sorry, sir, I forgot the name. Evoke Technologies. Another company for dashboard, DEFT Teams and Solutions. And I went through. I got to know about these companies because I went to final round itself. I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful to PurpleLane from Santosh sir, Bhavani sir, CRO ma'am, Nandakishore sir, Darsanama ma'am, Srilakshmi ma'am. So they helped me and they supported me a lot in this UI UX designing. I got a lot of support from your side. So I have to be ethically. I have to be very down to earth for PurpleLane, even though. So thanking you. Have a nice day and have a nice for future.